Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice algebra problem? Solution from here. From what we are given here, we have 5 times 5 here, and that can be written as 5 square. Then over x times x. Also, we have that as x square, which is equals to, on this side as well, x times x. That's x square. Then over 5 times 5. That's 5 squared. The next step, we cross multiply and we have 5 square times 5 square, which is equals to x square as well times x square. And from the law of indices, when we have same base, a raised to power m times a raised to power n, we had the power as a raised to power m plus n. Then here what we have becomes 5 raised to power 2 plus 2, which is 5 raised to power 4. Then also equals to x raised to power 4 here. That is, let's take x raised to power 4 to the left hand side, and we have 5 raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 4, then equals to 0 from here. Next step, we can rewrite this as 5 square, then all square, as 2 times 2 here will still be 4, then minus, here as well we have x square, then all squared equals to 0 from here. And this here follows difference of two squares when we have a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into brackets, then open bracket, a minus b. Then here, a is equals to 5 square, while b is equals to x square. Then what we have here can now be written as 5 square plus x square into brackets, then open bracket, 5 square minus x square close bracket, which is equals to 0 on this side. Now here we have two possible cases. That is, the first one we have 5 square plus x square equals to 0, or we have on this side 5 square minus x square equals to 0 from here. And on this side, when we solve here, we can take the square of 5 here, which is 5 times 5, that's 25, then plus x square equals to 0 from here. Now, let's separate 25 to the other side, become minus. So we have x squared now equals to minus 25. That is, we can take the square root on both sides now. That is, square root of x squared equals to square root of minus 25. Square cancels square root. And here we have x equals to plus or minus square root of 25 times minus 1 here. That is, we can write this as x equals to plus or minus root 25 times root minus 1, which implies we have x equals to plus or minus root 25, that's 5, then root 1, root minus 1, that's I. So here we have two complex solutions from here. Then from the second case, which we have as 5 square minus x square equals to 0. This also follows difference of two square, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into bracket, open bracket, a minus b. Then here we can write this as 5 plus x into bracket, then open bracket, 5 minus x equals to 0 from here. At this we have two cases here. 5 plus x equals to 0, or we have 5 minus x equals to 0. And on this side, can take 5 to the other side, and we have x now equals to minus 5 from here. We have a resolution here, and here we have minus x, so we can separate minus x to that side. So we are left with 5, which becomes equals to x now, which is also x equals to 5. Also here we have a real solution. Now, therefore, here we have two real solutions and two complex solutions here. Now, let's check if this satisfies the given problem. That is, from here, we substitute the four solutions we have. We can say the first one, x1 equals to 5, then x2 equals to minus 5, x3 equals to 5i, then we have x4 equals to minus 5i. Now, let's start with the first one, which is x equals to 5. Put x equals to 5 in the equation we are given. So what we have here becomes 5 over 5 times 5 over 5 is equals to x is 5, that's 5 over 5, then times 5 over 5. Here 5 over 5 here is same thing as 1, then times 1 is equals to 1 times 1. 1 times 1 here is 1, which is equals to 1 on this side. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. So x equals to 5 satisfy this given problem. Also, we substitute x equals to minus 5. That is, the equation here becomes 5 over minus 5 times 5 over minus 5 is equals to minus 5 over 5 times minus 5 over 5. That is, 5 over minus 5 is also minus 1 times here also minus 1 is equals to, here we also have minus 1 times minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 is 1, which is equals to 1 here as well. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. So x equals to minus 5 also satisfy the given problem. Now, for x equals to 5i, which is the third solution, we substitute, and what we have become 5 over 5i times 5 over 5i is equals to 5i over 5 times 5i over 5. Now, from what we have here, this is same thing as 1 over I times 1 over I is equals to, here we have I times I. That is, here, this is same thing as 1 over 1 times 1, 1. I times I, that's I square, is equals to this side, we have I square. And since root minus 1 is equals to I, it means I square, when we square both sides, we now be equals to minus 1. So I square here is minus 1. So 1 over minus 1 is equals to minus 1. Of course, 1 over minus 1 is minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. So x equals to 5i satisfy the given problem. Have you subscribed to this channel? If not, please subscribe. Thank you. Now, for minus 5i, same thing, we substitute. Then we have 5 over minus 5i times 5 over minus 5i is equals to minus 5i over 5 times minus 5i over 5. Then here, we can write this as 1 over minus I, then times also 1 over minus I is equals to, here minus I times minus I left. And here, since 1 times 1 is 1, and minus times minus plus, so I times I, that's I square, is equals to, also we have minus times minus plus, so this is I square as well. And since I square is minus 1, so we have 1 over minus 1 is equals to minus 1. And here we have minus 1 equals to minus 1. So also here, minus 5i satisfy, and that's it. We have the solution to the problem, which are 4 solutions, 2 real and 2 complex. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos, turn the notification bell on, share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comment, and see you next class. Bye for now.